Hello, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Nice to see you all again. Hi, Bora. Nice to see you again. Uh, Today is our 18th episode, and it's good to see you all again this week. Hopefully, okay, this week we have Ponway who will be joining us in the show. Unfortunately, Mr. Jeffrey will not be able to join us this evening because he has something urgent to do. So it's only me and Conway tonight. So I'll be covering for Jeffrey, and we'll be giving the analysis tonight. Hi, Hip. Hi, nice to see you again. Good evening. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Before I invite Bonway, I would like to welcome everybody to our live stream show. Um, So before I begin, just a quick introduction to all of you who are new to our show. XAU Merlion is a forex broker licensed and regulated in Cambodia. We provide a trading platform for everyone who wants to trade forex or CFDs anytime. We offer competitive spreads, quick execution, and 24/7 support. If you wish to start trading with us, do drop us a message on our Facebook page, and we will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, do also like and share this video so that we can reach out to more people. Okay, and do follow us on Facebook as well. Okay, let's continue on with the show. Tonight we will have Min Pick Ponray. Jeffrey won't be around, won't be with us tonight, so I'll be giving the analysis on behalf of him. So both of us will be sharing our views on the market this week. Okay, tonight is our 18th episode. Okay. Before I begin again, before I invite Conway to the show, I'd like to ask you all again, please like and share. Do comment on our Facebook page and share to any friends of yours who might be interested in such topics that we discuss. Okay, good to see you all once again tonight. Okay, so let me invite Conway. Hold on, Conway. Are you okay? Hold on.
Hello,
Hi,
sir.
Conway. Hi, good evening.
Yeah,
Nice to see
hello.
you. Welcome to our show.
Yes,
To our
okay.
show.
Welcome.
Hold on. Yeah, nice to see you again. Um, we're happy to have you on our show tonight again. Okay. Hope everything went well for
Yes,
you. How's things in Cambodia now?
right now in Cambodia, the Omicron it spreads, but everybody is safety. We have to be more carefully. Yes, and
Hmm.
however, on this week, the market is really volatile. Um, the market focus on the Ukraine and Russia. They are really volatile. So it's it's a little bit messy for everybody, for every trader. But that is fine. That is the nature of the forex.
Hmm. I agree with you. Markets are always volatile, especially during this week where things news headlines are pretty much intense now this week with global news around the world. Uh,
Yes, of course.
okay, let us start with you first. Okay. So based on the market this week, how has it affect any of trading? How has it affect the trading in terms of your robo trading? How has the market affected it?
Yes, every account it's safety. It's not effective, but we have drawn down about 10% to 20%, depend on the account. But that is fine. It's still acceptable because the maximal around 20% of this week. It's that's okay.
Okay, that's good. So so far, I think your trading has not been much affected by the news recently this week. So that's good to hear that. Hmm. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So how
But
are things going?
on this week, we learn a lot. We learn about how the behaviors of the gold market react to the geopolitical issue. Um, and we have found on the solution to make it more smarter.
Okay, that's good. Things have to improve based on market situation as well. So yeah, that's good to
Yes,
hear
of
that
course.
you're always improving your coding and algorithm based on changes here because markets are always uncertain and things change very fast nowadays based based on technology. Mhm.
Yes, of course. And however, in the future, we will be supplied with our project, the mobile app. I hope Merlion will be the leading in the education for trader in Cambodia.
Okay, that's great. That's great, and we hope to see your app running soon. So this will provide very good extent to most people out there. So we can reach more people to educate on the forex market and how on the trading as well.
Yes,
So
of course.
mhm. Thanks for the update, and we hope to see further good news on your on your mobile app. Hmm.
Yes, of course. And during this week, when I go back to the market, we have found that the quality platform of our brokers, the XAU Merlion, is really lightning speed. The execution is really good, and however, we can control our liquidity, the leverage and the spreads really efficiently. This is
Hmm.
the recommendation for every trader to trade at the Malayan company.
Well, that's great to hear from you. That's great that our services, our platform has been enabling your trading very effectively and has helped you to trade with ease without any major issues during this week. It's good to hear that good feedback from you, and we hope to also continue on to offer such services to more clients in Cambodia as well, like yourself
Yes,
also.
yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's good to hear. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Anything else, Ponway, before we move on to the next topic? Hmm.
Um, for me, I suggest to trader in forex. We should pay attention on these periods of time because we have seen the market how it behavior with the geopolitical issue. Because in the future, it's the history will repeat itself. So we should learn from today, and we have to well prepare for the future. And however, I understand that when we trade, sometimes we make mistakes. And however, during this period, the trading is not easy, but we should not we should try to learn and accept.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah, I agree with you that market is not is very volatile. This it's always been volatile, especially during periods like this. Lots of news are happening around the world, and of course, we always have to keep on learning and improving our trading strategy. So I agree with you that things will happen again. History will always repeat itself. Yeah, so we have to learn from such incidences that's happening around and apply it in future. Hopefully we can improve and form a better strategy for our future trading. Hmm. Yeah, I
Yes,
agree.
of course.
Mm. Yeah. Okay. Mm. Then, anything else before I begin on the analysis part for Jeffrey? Hmm.
No, for me that's all.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. Thanks so much, Bonway. So let me move on to what's happened this week. Just to share with you and all our viewers who are watching this evening. Okay. So this week has been a very volatile week because of the what's happening around the world, and lots of economic data has also been released this week, especially in terms of inflation. So this week we see UK and Canada CPI beating expectations, an increase in US retail sales despite the inflation. Australia ch- Australia change in unemployment rate beating expectation. We see a huge tug of war between Russia and Ukraine, with US siding with Ukraine and China siding with Russia. It was war going to break out. Is war going to break out, and how we can profit from this rumor war, or in fact we will see an all-out World War III. From the US perspective, President Biden warned that he believed an attack on Ukraine would happen within the next several days, and Russia is planning to manufacture justification for war with Ukraine. On Russia's perspective, Mr. Putin has always denied his planning an invasion, but tensions have been rising since November when Russian troops started massing near the border with Ukraine. We can see Russia definitely prepared and well geared to go for war anytime. Threat is being taken seriously because Russia invaded Ukraine in 2014 and seized its territory in Crimea. More than 100,000 Russian troops have been deployed closely to Ukraine's border and reported 30,000 more and engaged in exercises in Belarus. Close to the border with Ukraine, President Joe Biden says in total the number is 150,000. Whether if we see a war or not, we can definitely profit from the market. In times of chaos, we will definitely see investors rushing to safe havens like gold and commodities. Needed to drive the war would be US oil. These two commodities will be bullish in situation with this, and if war were to break out, we see gold hitting its all-time high during COVID period, probably around 2070 US dollars. Let's take a good look at gold today. Okay, hold on. Let me pull up the charts for gold. Mhm. Okay, and let's look at gold today. Gold prices is off multi-month high, but remains in its closest proximity with a buying resurgence likely to retest the same. Gold bulls with then look out for the June high of 1917. The next bullish target is envisioned at 19550, the psychological barrier. On Wednesday, gold price surged $26 and finally stormed through 1,900 barrel. Although failed to close above the later, US ramping up the warnings on the potential Ukraine invasion by Russia boosted safe haven flows in the bright metal. If this continues, we'll see gold surging into 1,900, above 1,900 level. Okay, next week we have the Euro PMI, Kiwi interest rate statement, and the US GDP. Do look out for these data. Next week it will be important data for trading currencies. For those trading the Kiwi pair, do look out for interest at rate statement on Wednesday. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for the analysis for this week. Okay. Hi SK, how are you? Nice to see you again. Sorry, Ponray's camera is I think offline. Okay, give me a while. Okay, Ponray, you're back. Yeah. Okay, hi SK, nice to see you. Hope you are well. Hope everything this week. I think Jeffrey's in Cambodia this week. And hope you all have a great time with him this week while he's in Cambodia. Sorry, Ponray, I think your microphone is mute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Now we have some who has just joined. Hi, Doria. Hi, nice to see you again. Okay. Yeah. So sorry that Jeffrey couldn't join us this week. It's only me and Conway. So we'll be both talking about the markets that happened this week. Okay. Okay. So I think that's all for the show this evening. That's all for me. Hi, Davi. Nice to see you again. Thanks for joining. hmm Yeah. Okay. Hey, Conway. Thanks for joining us. Hope you can
Yes,
join us
thank you, sir. Yes, have
on
a
the next
nice
slide.
day. Have a nice weekend.
hmm And hope to hear good news from your mobile app next time. And
Yes,
do give us update in your trading strategies as well. So mhm,
yes, yes,
it's
yes.
good to yeah. Okay. Can. Okay. Thanks, Bonray, for joining. We'll see you next time again. Okay. And thanks
Okay.
every. Okay. Thanks everybody for joining us this evening. To although it's a short one this week, we don't wish to hold you. Okay. And have a good weekend, everybody, and stay safe. Omicron wave, the COVID wave has been emerging quite rapidly around the world. So please do practice good hygiene and say do social practice your social distancing. Okay. Okay. Thanks everybody and have a good evening. Hope to see you all next week again. And hopefully Jeffrey will be back next week. Okay.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Thanks, Bonray.
Thank
Good
you,
evening.
everybody, and thank you, sir.
Okay.
Have a nice weekend, everybody.
Okay. Thanks, Bonray. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Okay, let me wrap up the show again. Thanks everybody once again. Don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page, and also share this video to anyone, to all your friends who you think will be interested in learning in such topics here. Okay, okay, okay. Good night, everybody, and have a good weekend and stay safe this weekend. Okay, and see you all next week. Goodbye.